not ready for this. Fuck. We're gonna take that guy. Oh, this is... Oh, shit. What is this for? What am I gonna use a fucking harpoon gun for in this situation? Don't I fight like Cthulhu? Oh, kitty. Come on. Oh my god. You know what, chat? We're just gonna take it. How do I get on the boat? How do I get on the boat? Oh no, I got on the... Okay. Alright. Alright, alright. We got the cat. We got that one guy. We got this dude. What's his name? Frederick. What's good, Freddy? Oh, shit. I just used... Alright, I gotta... Okay. So this game is like 60 seconds. Hey, glad you went with me, buddy. With my strength, we could sail this thing for years. Aye, look what I found. This might help us later. Aye, here, have it. Thanks for the bucket, dude. Thank you so much. Kitty, what's good? Alright, what's here? Well, there goes Dorothy. Frederick and I are the only ones left, sitting in this old junk of a lifeboat. I have no idea what struck our ship, and judging by the sound, I honestly don't want to find out. Now all we can do is survive as long as we need. I'm sure help will come soon. Okay. Am I supposed to do... Should I talk to Frederick again? I don't need to eat. Should we fish? Yeah, let's fish. Oh, let's go! We got a mackerel. Alright, one more fishing attempt, and then we're going to call it. Call it a night here. Let's go. Alright, end the day. So this is where the spooky shit happens, right? When you end the day is when it's fucking freaky. Oh no, I didn't get a night thing. No new journal entry. Frederick's happy. Kitty, what's good? This place is way too quiet, you know? My sailor's guts tell me we're drifting toward danger. Give the kitty a pat. We don't need to repair the boat. Alright, we'll try fishing again. Let's go, baby. We got another one. Alright, we're getting hungry. We're gonna wait a day. Fucking seaweed. Alright. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Yes. Oh, let's go! It's a fish! I knew it didn't sound bad, bro. I knew it didn't sound bad. Fucking fish flopped into the boat. Let's go. Sounds, my voice. Sounds of slapping and flopping filled the air last night. I decided to investigate and find the source. And lo and behold, somebody decided they wanted to be my breakfast today. There is still kindness in the rough seas. Kitty, what's up? So Frederick is peckish. Sorry if the smoke's bothering you, pal. I need my pipe wherever I go. Hope you get me. Frederick. Nah, we'll wait a day. We'll wait a day for you, Frederick. You'll be okay. I feel bad that I ate, though. Why did the music just stop? That actually, like, kind of scared me. Of course. God damn it. Alright. trash run so far. Trash run so far. I'm waiting for something good to happen here. Oh, I saw somebody do this. Swim more. What is that gonna do? Something broke during the night. Oh, the swim ring. Alright. Oh, shit. Alright. Well, it's okay. Last night was nauseating, to say the least. Had I slept an hour longer, I might have ended up under the boat. I had a swim ring lying around, so I put it on just to rest assured I wouldn't wake up in the water. Alright. Frederick, you can eat. We're gonna talk to you. I just remembered. I have my cigar box with me. We could send a message in it, couldn't we? Well, here goes nothing. Oh. I hope it finds someone. Oh, I can't write. That's so boring. Of course, it's my cigar box. Alright. Day, baby. Next day. No, no, I don't like this. Yep, bucket. Put the bucket over our head. Go to sleep. You know what? We'll let Frederick handle it, bro. Come on, Freddy. Don't die. Oh, we got it. An energy bar. Let's go. Good fucking shit, Frederick. You know what? You and I are both gonna eat for that one. You like fishing? I could make more bait from leftovers. They love munching on themselves. So what do you say? Yeah, fuck it, why not? Here you go, friend. Have fun fishing. Catch one bigger than my hat, will ya? Alright, sweet. Frederick, you can eat. We'll go catch some fish. We have bait now. Okay, we got a cod. Let's go! A flounder. Alright. Oh, I didn't pet the kitty. Fuck. Oh, I didn't read the journal either. Oh, it was a peaceful night. Let's fucking go. Nice quiet one. Alright, wait. I didn't read the last one. I missed two. Last night was nauseating, to say the least. Had I slept an hour longer, I might have ended up under the... Oh, no, we read that one. Fuck. I was jolted awake by the sound of thunder that followed by the flashing lights of the storm that brewed up last night. Far too bothered to sleep, I wore a bucket to dampen the sounds and keep the rain off my face. It worked like a metallic charm. Nah, Frederick, you're fine. Lau would have already started a small garden on this boat. Ha ha ha. Shut up, Frederick. Captain Whiskers, what's up? Ooh, we'll repair the boat. I didn't realize how badly the fucking boat was fucked up. We'll wait for... but should we use an energy bar? What can we do with the map? Nothing. No. We only have one bait, though. Nah, that's not worth it. We're gonna save the energy bar. Bucket. Bucket. Use the bucket, baby. cheers to you with a Pepsi, by the way. A little rain isn't so bad, After baking under the sun and sweating for hours, waking up to that felt surprisingly refreshing, but I also needed proper rest, so I covered my head with a bucket to get some unbothered sleep. Boat conditions perfect. We need to eat. Frederick needs to eat. We'll talk to Frederick and we'll fish twice. Next time we get stranded, I'm bringing a deck of cards and a lot of beer. I get you, Frederick. But also, wouldn't that dehydrate you? I feel like that's probably not a good idea in this situation. Because you're literally just baking in the sun. Ooh, what's that? Newspaper. HSO filed for, HSD filed for, oh, I bet you that's where the ship we were on. There's no one coming for us. It's like that cosmonaut that got lost in space after the USSR disbanded. Wet duct tape. Oh, alright, that could be... What could we use that for, though? Duct taping Frederick? We tie Frederick up? Captain Whiskers, what's up, buddy? Alright, end day. This is a good run so far. Oh, no. What are we doing here? Yeah. Oh! Oh, wait. What's in it? Oh, you know what? Here, does this restore all of our energy, though? Fuck. Does this energy bar restore all of our energy? Because if so, then I'm going to use it. The ocean sure amasses a lot of things together. Last night I found a mysterious heavy chest with no key to be seen. I might have to force my way into it if my curiosity gets the best of me. Ooh, an anchor! Let's go! Right, we're going to use the energy bar, and we're going to try fishing. Let's go! We got a bass. Alright. We'll talk to Frederick, and then I think we'll fish again, and then we're going to go to sleep. After all this, I think I'll be getting a new tattoo to remember that we... Yeah, don't speak too soon there, bud. We'll get you one, too. What do you think? Yeah, sure, buddy. Aha, that's the spirit. I'm thinking about getting one that looks just like this old rack we're stranded on. I mean, yeah, that would make sense. Alright, bet. End day. Alright, so we got an anchor out of the chest. We used the energy bar, but that's okay. It was worth it. Another peaceful night. Freddy, what's up, bud? You know, I've been wondering, why did this company offer such a high payout for us? They had to know the risks, right? Okay, so half the time, I probably shouldn't talk. It doesn't really have anything to say. Son of a bitch. This is not good. Damn it. Alright. Captain Whiskers. Can't sleep well. Bucket. Use the bucket. Good night's sleep, baby. Alright. I don't know if it was the constant swaying or the sound of the waves, but I couldn't get back to sleep. My last effort was using a bucket to dampen the noise and block the moonlight, which gave me a few more hours of rest that night. Alright. Gonna eat. Frederick, you need to eat. Oh, shit. We need a school of fish to come by, bro. Like, desperately. Fuck. Fuck. Captain Whiskers. Oh no. This is not good. Because I feel like this is when the fucking crash. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nope. No, you don't. Who is that supposed to be? Is this Frederick? Chat, what should I do? Okay, alright. We're gonna go to sleep. Sure. Okay. So, was he sick? Was that actually him? It's hard for one to survive in the vast seas, let alone two people. As long as only one of us is sick or injured, the other can manage resources and keep us rowing, but we need to be ready for the day one of us is ultimately left alone. Alright, we're gonna fish 3 times today. We're not gonna talk to Frederick. He's healed. I'm not gonna feed him. We don't have any more food for him. This is getting nerve-wracking, bro. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Peaceful night, baby. Let's go. We're gonna fish again. We gotta keep trying. A boot. Jesus. We can't use the fish net. That's so annoying. Can Frederick make... Oh, I just talked to him on accident. God damn it. You know what, bud? Let's try using that map of yours. Maybe we find something useful on it. Hand it over, will ya? Yeah, sure. Here, take it. It's not a bad idea. I wonder if he finds... like, does he find, like, an island or some shit? Looking at this, pal, we're days away from reaching any land, so let's make ourselves comfortable. God damn it. Fuck you, Frederick. That was a waste. Awesome. So we're cooked. We're fucking toasted. What? No, they're coming closer. What are those, bro? They're like lily pads. I know this is gonna be some fucked up shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Fishnet or bucket? Oh, we're doing the bucket. Oh, no! Oh, wait. Okay. What is that gonna do for us? Okay. This morning I found a small lily pad in my boat. I have no recollection of bringing it with me. I can hardly believe one could just drift out here in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, I feel like that's not a good idea, but I don't know. We'll run with it. A bass. All right, bet. We caught a fucking fish. Thank you. I'm in love with this game already. I'm so glad he put it on fucking on Steam. We are going to be playing the Christ out of this until we beat it. No, you're not going to eat yet. We're going to go to sleep, because I'm not going to eat yet either. I'm glad you don't have to manage water like you do in 60 seconds. Ooh. So, I feel like now the fishnet, it's probably going to cut through it. I'm going to fucking harpoon this thing. Oh, no way it dodged that. No way. Shit. Well, now we're out of harpoon gun. A curious seagull made a visit to the boat last night. Too bad it found the person who's much desperate for any food they can get their hands on. Lucky for the quick one it was. My plan didn't work out as intended and it flew away freely. Awesome. Love that. And we're down in energy. Great. Should have used the fishing net. Dude, why can't we use that as bait, though? Like, it's way too small to eat. Why can't we use it as bait? Alright, we got a salmon. Yeah, dude, I'm hungry, too. Alright, Freddy, we're going into what day? What is this? I think day 12 or 13 with, no food on the boat. No food left, pal. Great. What is that? Ah! Oh my god! What kind of horseshit was that? How are we not dead? Loads of small glowing eyes filled the waters. I tried using my flashlight pretending to be one of them. They didn't appreciate my disguise. The last thing I remember was the blinding light of their eyes. I think I lost part of my ear. Jesus. Oh no. Okay, so we're getting hooked now. And the boat just got fucked up. Oh, also, Chad, I'm running without my glasses today because those are old glasses and they fucking hurt my eyes. I've noticed they've been giving me headaches because I've been streaming so much recently. We're cooked. We're toasted. I mean, we have one food. And I'm definitely taking it. Frederick, you can fuck off. You haven't done anything. See, and like, what is this now? Come on, man. Cut me a break. I'm not going to be able to see anything through the fucking telescope. We're going to use the compass. Yeah, I would say it probably would help you navigate, jackass. Maybe don't go into the glowing blue fog. I feel like we're... Oh, okay. I thought I was going to die. I don't know how I didn't get eaten by those things. I could barely see the end of my own boat. I spent so much time staring into the fog, trying to understand where I was, that I may have started seeing figures in it. I thought I saw a person without a head. That's disgusting. That's awful. Dude. Fish. Sock. God damn it. Oh, we're fucked. Oh! Get it. Yes. Retrieve the message in the bottle. Because, like, what if it's, like... we get the fishing net back, right? Oh, well, this would have helped a little while ago. A little too fucking late for that. The currents guided a bottle of the boat last evening. I wonder who sent it into the ocean or when it was sent or why. Having the paper completely blank on the other side gives me the chance to send a message back into the waters. Oh, bet. We need a fish. Please be a fish. Oh my god, stop giving me socks. Can I eat Frederick? Let's go. Let's go. We live another day, baby. We live another day. A fucking mackerel. Holy mackerel. Fred, I'm sorry, buddy. I can't help you, man. I gotta fish. I feel like I'm just prolonging the inevitable here. If we don't get food here, we're toasted. I think this is the end of the run. We got a squid! Frederick! Eat, my friend! Thank you. Thank you for the squid. Not that anything helped me get the squid, but RNG in the game. What is happening right now? We're just gonna go. Ah! What am I supposed to do? Oh my god. Eaten all, yeah, by fucking Cthulhu. Holy god. Alright. We got time for one more. Okay, wait. So we're gonna come in here first. We're gonna come out here. Then we're gonna come back around here. Come on. Come on. Come on. We got this. We got this. Oh, you can grab bait. Oh shit, we're wasting time. Wasting too much time. Alright, the sea search, I know that that's very valuable. Fuck the harpoon gun. This guy. Captain Whiskers, some food. Oh no, we're done. We got food and bait. A lot more food than last time, and bait this time. And a different guy. We didn't get Frederick's bum ass. Because Frederick did nothing. I want to know what this guy can do. Also, I don't really know what else I got. I know I grabbed the map. We got the telescope, we got Captain Whiskers, which doesn't really help. Oh, fuck, this is not a good run. No, you know what? We're gonna hold on. This is a bad run. Oh my gosh. Come on. I don't want to grab this guy. Captain Whiskers. Captain Whiskers! Oh, horrendous run. Girl, come on. Sea Search. Life Preserver. Alright. Alright. This is better than the last one. This is better than the last one. We got a fuckload of bait, a bunch of food. We got the Sea Search. We got the girl, and I think she can, like, grow shit. I think she can, like, start a garden. And I feel like that's what the lily pad's for. But I don't know. Did I get the bucket? No, I didn't get the fucking bucket. God damn it. Alright, whatever. You know what? I like this one. We'll run this one. I'm gonna write a message real quick first day. Yeah. I don't know if I'm allowed to show that on Twitch, but it's okay. Laurel, what's up? Thank you for saving me. Feeling the sinking... Alright, I'm not doing a voice for this. Feeling the sinking was terrifying, but we're here now. Oh, well. Oh, by the way, I was able to bring this with me. Look, what is that, an umbrella? Okay, helpful, kind of. Alright, we'll fish. Catch as much food as we can. Give Captain Whiskers a pat. Then we're gonna go to sleep. What is that? Oh, sweet! Oh, I didn't read the fucking journal. It's alright, whatever. Well, there goes Dorothy. Laurel and I are the only ones left sitting in this old junk of a boat. I have no idea what struck our ship, and judging by the sound, I honestly don't want to find out. Now all we can do is survive as long as we need. I'm sure help will come soon. Yeah, I don't know about that, pal, but we'll see. 9 bait, bet. Fix the compass. Give Captain Whiskers another pat, and try fishing again. Huge red snapper. More red snapper, baby. Alright, so food is... We're chilling for food. I don't know if we should waste the bait right now. I think I'm going to do a sea search tomorrow. Because I think we have everything we need for right now. I'm going to see what we can find. Oh, whoa. Whoa. What the fuck? Yeah, we're not going to use the umbrella. I honestly think I'm just going to try and sleep. Map, maybe? Oh, it's going to blow away, though. I don't know. Yeah, I knew it. I knew that. I don't know why I did that. What the fuck? What am I thinking? Oh, and a fish. Wait, hold on. We traded a map for a fish, though. So it was either the umbrella or the map or nothing. But it's okay. I'll take it. Because we're going to go... We're going to sea search. She's not hungry yet. Laurel, what's up? Oh, no! Can't sea search yet. I brought some dried lavender in my bag. It helps when I feel anxious. Captain Whiskers, what's up, buddy? Can we do anything? So the duct tape, I feel like, is to repair the boat. Hold on. I'm honestly... This is so jank. My setup's so fucked up. I'm using my Xbox as a fucking backlight. Or like a front light. So it lights up my face a little bit more. You know what? Nah, we're gonna wait on the fishing. We'll read this, though. The wind blew strongly, not letting me rest. If I were a little less careful, it could easily tip me off the boat and send me into the ocean. While trying to navigate out of the situation, a fish carried by the currents flew straight into my face. I can't decline any food that great, or that the greater forces send me. Talk to Laurel again. Whiskers is really cute today. He sat on my lap, brought Whiskers. Captain Whisker. Oh, yeah. How peaceful. Captain Whiskers, my boy. See, he keeps us calm. I like that. You know what? We'll just repair the boat. We don't need any more food right now. We don't need to waste bait. Let's go! Oh, we can't get it, though. I guess I could sea search out. No, I can't. We're just gonna let it go. I didn't grab the fishing net. I don't want to waste the swim ring, because I feel like it's just gonna float away. The currents guided a bottle to our boat last evening. Wonder who sent it in the ocean. It was far out of reach, so we may never know what message it held or the reason it ended up here. Alright, we're gonna sea search today. Yes. See if we can find anything. Did we get anything? Found 4 bait. The scuba set was damaged. Oh, we can fix it, though. Damn, we are so loaded on food. We're gonna eat. Nah, we'll wait for her. We'll give her another day. I have the umbrella, though. Okay, relax. Umbrella. Bro, I just, like, fucking lay that bitch down and curl up under it, straight up. I was jolted awake by the sound of thunder that followed the flashing lights of the storm that brewed up last night. I managed to keep myself dry with an umbrella, though it may not have been the best idea to use one during a storm in the middle of the ocean. Yeah, it's okay. We did it. We're gonna fix that. Yes, we're gonna reach for it. Let Laurel handle it. Beautiful! This is why you grab somebody. A med kit, let's go! Huge. Captain Whiskers, give you a pat. End day. Laurel's probably hungry now that I think about it. I don't know what to tell you, pal. We don't really need the energy, though. So, like, it's not a big deal. It's like, I mean, we should fish now, actually. Let's go, dude! We're getting so much good shit! Okay, as I say that, we should have just fixed the fishing net. I don't know if it was the constant swaying or if I'm already going nuts, but I couldn't sleep easily last night. I kept switching between a few minutes of sleep and watching the moonlight dance on the waves all through the night. Sometimes that's how it is, pal. Sometimes that's how it is. Oh, duct tape. Boom. Fix the leak, baby. And that's why we grabbed the fucking duct tape. Alright, we're gonna fix the fishing net. Had no high hopes for this old dinghy, but I didn't expect a leak so big it couldn't have, or it could have drowned me in my sleep. I acted quickly enough to keep my boots from filling with water, though. I just hope this boat doesn't hold any more surprises for me. Captain Whiskers, give you a pat. We're gonna go fishing, and then we're gonna go sleep. Actually, I might eat real quick now that I'm thinking about it. Got a bass, baby. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna eat. Go to sleep. Good old night's sleep, baby. Please don't let anything. Give me one peaceful night. So, okay, no? Alright, bad. Oh, wait, hold on. We are absolutely taking this. Always, always say yes to free shit, chat. Always say yes to free shit. Okay, we're gonna crack this bitch open tomorrow. Because we still have mad food, mad bait. We're good. A flashlight, baby! Alright. The ocean sure amasses a lot of things together. Last night I found a mysterious heavy chest with the... Okay, wait, hold on. We read that one. End day. We're going to sea search again tomorrow. We're going to eat, we're going to feed Laurel, and we're going to sea search again tomorrow. Umbrella? Again? Let's go, baby! Laurel, you are a legend for grabbing this umbrella. We are killing this run so far. We're going to eat. We're going to eat again. We're going to feed Laurel. We're going to go fishing. No, this is not good. This is not... Oh, I still have 10 bait. Captain Whiskers, Laurel will hang out. I think I see something green growing between the planks. This can only mean one thing. I can have my own small personal garden here. A little rain isn't so bad. After baking under the sun and sweating for hours, waking up to that felt surprisingly refreshing. I don't want to catch a cold, though, so I rolled out my umbrella for the night. Bet. Buy it. Does it? Sucks, bitch. We have the med kit if she actually is sick. She is, okay. Use that on her. We're gonna eat. It's hard for one to survive in the vastness of the seas, let alone two people. As long as one of us is sick or injured, the other can manage resources and keep us rowing. But we need to be ready for the day that one of us is ultimately left alone. Captain Whiskers, sea search, baby. Do it. You spent a short time underwater, you found 3 food, 1 bait, and found a chest. Let's go! See, that's why the sea search, bro. That's why the sea search. Captain Whiskers. You know what, we'll try fishing again. Let's go! I might have to call this one, though, dude. Like, I mean, I have to get off soon because I have to go to work at, like, 5 or 4, but... if this goes so well, we might just hop on later. We're gonna try the fishing net on this fucking thing. Yeah, figured. But fishing net's not broken or anything. Can eat. Curious Seagull made a visit to the boat last night. Too bad I found the person who's too much desperate for food. Lucky who was quick one and flew late. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna do another sea search. You found 1 food. The scuba set was damaged in the process. Okay, that's okay. We had a really good run last time. We're gonna go to bed. See, we're, like, getting more shit than we had, though. I mean, like, Laurel brought the umbrella. The fucking sea searches are getting us a bunch of... Yeah, so I'm gonna turn around. Fish, right? Yep. Bet. Alright. We got more food. Dude, we're killing this run. This is a great run. We just can't run into these calamities. We're gonna open this chest. Flare gun, baby. We're getting so much shit, man. Sounds of slapping and flopping filled the air last night. I decided to investigate and find the source, and lo and behold, somebody decided they wanted to be my breakfast today. There is still kindness in the rough seas. Yes, there is. End day. Alrighty. What the fuck is that? No. What, like, what am I... But if I feel like the anchor, bro. Because if not, we're gonna get sucked down, right? Or did I just fuck us? No, I think I saved us. I think that was the right call. Let's go! If I hadn't woken up, the boat would have been in pieces by dawn with me under it. A whirlpool emerged nearby, so I dropped anchor to keep myself in place. Just how deep could it have gone? No idea, man. Gonna eat twice. Laurel's fine. She's bored, but that's okay. Alright, we're gonna fish. Gonna fish again. Captain Whiskers, we're gonna give you a pat. We're gonna go to sleep. Alright, Chad, I got 2 more days in me. It was a peaceful night. I think I'm gonna repair the scuba kit today. Yep. Alright, end day. Tomorrow we're gonna feed Laurel and we're gonna talk to her. Oh, is that a ship? Flare gun, flare gun, flare gun. Did we just win? Did we get it? You're kidding me. Help may be on the way. I think I just saw other people, and it was a huge ship, too. I fired my only flare in their direction, hoping to finally be saved. They didn't so much as turn, but kept moving on. Maybe they'll send someone instead, right? Let's hope. Laurel, we're going to talk to you. Do we want to fish more efficiently? I could make some more bait from the fish. How much bait do we have? Yeah, you know what? We'll take 3 for 1. Here, I think this will do. We hopefully get a return on this. 11 bait now. Alright, then. I am going to eat, but we're going to fish one more time, just in case. We are slowly running out of food, so we're going to have to start fishing with our energy. Oh, bet. Crap. Alright, sick. Captain Whiskers, we're going to go to bed. Alright, chat. One more day, one more sleep, and then we're going to call it. Okay, wait. Compass. We know this one. We did this one. Compass. Yes, it will help you navigate. It's a fucking compass. It literally works off of the poles of the earth. I could barely see the end of my own boat. I spent so much time staring into the fog, trying to understand where I was, that I may have started seeing figures in it. I thought I saw a person without a head. Support. Yeah, we'll talk. You okay, Laurel? I tried seasoning today's rashes with sea salt and kelp. Should be more nutritious this way. Okay. Oh, it was. Sweet. We'll fish again. Alright, last night here, chat. Out of fish, baby. Alright. Captain Whiskers. Fish, 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 fish. They look like fucking piranhas. Yo, mad food. Oh my god, we're getting bailed out by this game. Let's go! We just caught so many fucking fish. What a fortunate night. I woke up at just the right time to see a group of fish circling around the boat, so I took the chance to do something, or to do some fishing. I'm thankful for every bite I can get while sailing this old thing. 2 food, but the fishing net broke. Oh, she can just do that? Oh, that's sick. Alright, we'll fix that. Oh, that's heat, man. That is... Dude, this is a great run we have here. More duct tape. Oh my god. Alright, Chad. I'm gonna end it there. Thank you so much for watching. Fucking follow, subscribe. Go check out the YouTube. I got an Instagram going. Go check that out. But yeah, other than that, I will be on later tonight. Godspeed, everybody. Have a good night.